Matchmaking. Okay. Oh man, I want to ready up. Hang on. Oh, do I want to ready up? Yeah.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Are you ready up?
I'm ready up. Oh, good. Here comes a train. Perfect timing. Oh, shut up, dude. Oh, your horns in the house. Toot your horn into the house this time.
I forgot. I don't know which. We're going left or right here. I don't know.
I think it's left mostly.
I don't know. You can do it both ways. I don't know which one I picked. That's okay though. Should have done one in each direction.
Oh man, it's
There's the rain.
really pouring. Yeah, we should do one in each direction. You did 10 laps, right?
Yep.
Okay. I think that's quick with the short track.
Yeah, it's a short track. Why can't I hear my car?
There you go.
Barely hear my engine.
Do you have a low?
There you go.
There you go. What happened? You back there? You still on the track, Tom? Hello?
Yeah, I got my chat turned now. I was messing with my bike and I turned my chat down, so I can't adjust it while I'm racing
Oh,
hard.
well, don't try to adjust it. Are you way back there?
Hold on a second.
You're not that far.
Talk to me.
Hello, how are you today?
Yeah, okay. All right, I get you now.
It's raining hard
That messed me
here.
up, didn't it? That messed me up, so I got way behind.
Well, then restart.
I don't know if I can hit restart on this.
Okay, I'll wait for you a little bit. You ready?
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, go.
That's much better. Whoa!
I wish I had rain down the other tracks too.
Yeah, you said going this way in the other direction. I like this muddy gravel stuff.
Whoa, I hit you.
Did you hit me?
I just clipped your back end a little bit, not enough to mess anything up.
These trucks are like that. This kind of reminds me of how the track was when they came here to St. Louis to race these things.
Yeah.
It was muddy. It rained like the night before. When it was really muddy. Might even been racing during the rain.
Oh, I'm offside.
Oh man! Oh god! You hit that wall. You jumped.
I flipped.
Oh wow. Well, we can see if we can go the other direction. Backwards version of this track, you know?
Yeah.
tracks like this for this prototype.
Yeah, I wish they did. Yeah, I messed up too many times.
Yeah, let's just go, let's do it backwards. So. Yo!
Wish I would have had. I wish they could give me lap times on them.
Yeah, they don't. They give you about a how
Well,
long race. Just switch it and we'll get right into it.
I know, I gotta go through all this crap.
I don't care about my reputation, people. Come on, I want to race.
No. Okay, Coles Creek, it's just, yeah, I guess it's just running around the opposite way. You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna choose a different color card. So. Which one did you take?
I took Rockstar, but I might take something different. I'm going to take DC this time.
I'm doing Texaco.
Okay. I'll do DC shoes. Just for something different. I don't think I'm as good at going right as I am as good at going left. Maybe it's because I race NASCAR. I'm a NASCAR fan.
Well, I just messed up too many times.
Yeah.
I went on two wheels on my side, hit a wall. I'll be a little more careful this time.
It's nice for a second to see my car dry. Truck.
Should do buggies in this. I wonder what it is.
Oh, that'd be pretty fun.
Wonder what that'd be like.
Oh God, really bumpy. A lot of fun. Oh God.
That corner's tricky.
Oh, it is. Oh, we're right next to each other. Oh! Oh God, we're near each other. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, fine. Well, we bumped each other a little bit there.
I know.
I don't mind bumping each other a little bit. I don't like bumping each other in the air. You know?
Oh, I just flat out. Hold on.
Come on, catch up. I'll wait for you. I'll give you a break. Let me know when you get close. I see you. Alright?
Yeah.
Oh God! Oh no! You hit me in the air! Oh God! Go!
Oh, I thought you were still behind me.
No. Do we have damage on?
I do.
Oh God!
I think.
I didn't get it. I think I just got body damage. See, on this when you're not playing split screen, you can't see the replay. It's gonna be pretty neat though. See the replay of that. Only when you're online you can't see the replay. When you're playing split screen. Like when I'm at your place. Definitely very scary.
Yeah, I took that jump bad.
This turn, I have a problem with that turn. It's a problem turn from there right there. It seems like there's more puddles bogging you down this direction.
Yeah, it seems like they do.
This one is very dangerous. You gotta really slide on that. I'm better sliding left than I am sliding right. Come on. Oh my god. Kissing my tail. Oh, you go by me! You go by me! I sound Chinese or something. I'm trying to speak American. You go by me! I'm just so nerve-wracked.
Oh, no!
No! Did you hit it? Oh god, no! I'm ahead again for a moment. Oh, this is crazy. Oh!
You're okay.
Yeah, no, I know.
We're straightened again.
I know, I understand.
I straightened you out once I hit you.
Robin's racing, man. This is what these trucks do. And we're racing like they really do. I don't want to fix. This is a tight turn. Come on, come out of it better. Please. Oh, I bumped you. Oh, no.
Oh, man, you made me crash.
I got stuck on you. I didn't try to make you crash. I bumped you. Come on.
I guess I don't have damage on.
I'll wait. I guess not.
I should have been damaged right there.
Oh, so should I. Because I hit that guardrail pretty hard. I'm sure I have something. You might have it on. You might. It just takes a lot sometimes in this game. You know? It really does. Oh! I can feel myself with two tires. Oh man, you're going so fast in that turn. You're gonna hit that wall. I'm gonna go with you. Oh,
I didn't hit it.
You didn't. Oh no! I hate jumping on the side there. Oh my god. Oh, your truck landed on its ass. Like your front end was up in the air. Like like a plane stalling. Yeah. It looked like you landed on your back tires. Or your back tailgate. That was crazy. Come on. Oh, that's a toughie right there. That's a tough turn. When you're right at this jump, I mean, it's like right there. Nice slide.
Took that knife.
Yeah, you did. Did you hit your handbrake there? Looked like you did.
Yeah, I did.
What is it, the B button or A on this? I can't remember.
B, I think.
Yeah, it
Well, I took that good too.
is. I just got a points or something to slide with.
Didn't take that one good though.
Probably just a good time to try to slide when you're trying to catch it. That's a winner on slide. They're so tight. I think you got me on this one, buddy. Oh boy.
After I got going.
Woo!
That's fun, isn't it?
Oh man, that's a blast. Absolutely.
We should do the other track the other way again.
Absolute blast.